This video will overview the procedure to install the deck belt on a 42-inch Craftsman lawn tractor, model number 917271530. Always follow safety measures when working on any machinery, such as disconnecting the negative battery terminal, removing the ignition key, disconnecting the spark plug wire, and wearing personal protective equipment such as gloves and goggles. Placing the deck belt is relatively straightforward on this mowing deck. In this case, I've already removed the deck, although that is not required to simply add a new belt. There are two mandrels, hence there are two mandrel pulleys. The first step is to install the belt within the belt keepers on each of the two mandrel pulleys. Never place one's hands in between the belt and the pulley. In this case, I chose not to remove the plastic cover on the left mandrel pulley. The trick to installing the belt around these pulleys is to simply push the belt keeper back and slide the belt into place while gently turning the pulley. I then carefully installed the belt around the two idler pulleys. I was careful to ensure that the belt was within the belt keepers and that all the belt keepers were in good shape. The belt keepers are quite pliable, and if they get bent out of shape, you can always just gently nudge them into the correct position. In a separate video linked in the description below, I overview the procedure to connect the mowing deck to the tractor body. There are 7 connection points in total. Here, in this video, the deck is already placed. The final procedure is to simply place the deck belt, number 144959er, around the main engine pulley. Ensure the belt is properly within the belt guard not seen in this angle of the video. That is it. The procedure is complete. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. In addition, if you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.